Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI P20 Pro, and I'll show you how to activate Google Assistant on this device. So first of all, you should go to the Google application, and now just go to the settings. Here on the right upper corner you'll see the settings. Now just go to the Google Assistant and scroll down with your finger and find here the general settings. Tap on that, and as can you see, here is a Google Assistant switcher. It's turned off at the moment, so just tap it once to activate it, and as can you see right now, the Google Assistant is activated on this device. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.